Hello everyone, back tuning in today's second video, having a look at some events that are coming up this weekend and the following weekend, which is going to be this weekend, the Bristol Balloon Festival. That's going to be running from the 9th to the 12th of August. We've also got Boomtown, which is going to be taking place at Winchester. And then the following weekend, it's kind of like Friday, Saturday, 17th, 18th of August, we've got RiZe Festival at Chelmsford. So I'll give you the latest weather updates for these events. We are running down very rapidly now the summer 2018 event season, and in fact I can tell you that at the weekend, this coming weekend, the bank holiday, late August bank holiday weekend, will be coming into the GFS time frame this coming weekend, and that marks kind of like the end really of this season of events updates at Gazworthy. So we are running down very rapidly now the event season for summer 2018. What a summer it's been, but we've still got some time to go, and I'm going to get on with the update for you right now. So we're going to begin on Thursday, which is day one of Bristol Balloon Festival and also Boomtown. We can see what's happening on Thursday. We've got this ridge of high pressure down to the southwest, but we've also got low pressure up to the north. Upper air temperatures on Thursday are looking rather cool, or cooler than they have been, let's say. And as far as precipitation is concerned, a reasonable amount of dry weather. There is a suggestion for showers being in the northwest, but they shouldn't really be affecting things at Bristol or at Winchester. I should imagine a reasonably fine day for the first day of those events. The temperature on Thursday is forecast to be kind of like upper teens to low 20s for both Bristol and for Winchester. So we're looking at temperatures around, you normally add on a degree or two, so you're looking at temperatures around 21 or 22 degrees there. That's Friday, 10th of August, day 2 of Bristol Balloon Festival and also Boomtown. So this area of low pressure moving in from off the Atlantic. Winds begin to get up a little bit as well, so that might be a little bit of a concern for getting those balloons up on Friday. Upper air temperatures are still quite cool, and we've got outbreaks of showery rain moving in from the west. So actually most of that is around Ireland, northwest England and North Wales. So for much of kind of southwestern England, Bristol down to Winchester in Hampshire, you expect a reasonable amount of dry weather there on Friday. Temperatures, so in the persistent rain, it's a very cool day, just into mid-teens Celsius, but in the sunshine in the south, it's not too bad. Temperatures around 21, 22 degrees, which is about average for the time of the year. Then that takes into quite an unsettled weekend. So this is day 3 of the Bristol Balloon Festival. It's not looking terribly good, really, and it's also day 3 of Boomtown as well. So this area of low pressure is moving in from off the Atlantic. Upper air temperatures are quite warm. The air is quite warm, but it's moisture laden. So we've got outbreaks of heavy rain here across many parts of England and Wales. Quite a wet sort of soaking day being forecast there by the GFS model for Saturday, and that would affect both the Bristol Balloon Festival and also Boomtown. You would be struggling to get the balloons up, I think, there if that comes off. Bear in mind it's a few days away. The GFS might be going a bit over top with the persistent rain, but it's signalling there for Saturday. But it is going for quite a wet day, to say the least. Temperatures are cool as well because it's cloudy, it's wet, so it's only forecasting temperatures into the mid to upper teens Celsius. Bear in mind if it's overdoing the rainfall and there's drier conditions, then it will be warmer than that suggests because it's the middle of summer. And then we go through to Sunday, Sunday 12th of August, the final day of the Bristol Balloon Festival and the final day of Boomtown looks like this. So the wind is turning into the north as that area of low pressure exits away to the east. Upper air temperatures are looking quite cool. There's still some showery rain left there across England and Wales on Sunday, gradually pushing further and further southwards. So it's drying up and brightening up sort of day, and I suppose you would have a reasonable chance of getting the balloons up for the last day of the Bristol Balloon Festival. But down in Winchester in Hampshire, there probably is a little bit cloudier and damper, if anything. Temperatures, so they're very disappointing, really, kind of like mid-to-teens Celsius, but bear in mind, if there's more sunshine around, the model is expecting, is forecasting, then the temperatures will be warmer. So overall, this looks like quite a mixed period, really, this coming weekend for these two events. And then we skip forward to the following weekends. This takes us to Friday the 17th of August, when we've got day one of RiZe. RiZe will be taking place at Highlands Park in Chelmsford, down in Essex. And we find that what's happening here is that we begin to build a little bit of a ridge up from the Azores high. So the upper air temperatures are still relatively cool, coming around the top of that ridge from the North Atlantic. They're not particularly hot, but there's a reasonable amount of dry weather, especially down in the southeastern part of the country. Temperatures a little bit on the lowly side, I suppose. It's going for around 19 or 20 degrees in this southeastern corner in Essex, and I suppose you could add a degree or two onto that, so probably 22, 72 is not too far from the mid-August average on Friday afternoon. And then day two of RiZe, the final day, it's only a 2-day event, this one, shows that we have this bump of high pressure building up from the south. So high pressure is becoming a little bit more influential from the Azores there on Saturday the 18th of August. This is in the extended range upper model, though, I should just point out, so this is much more lower confidence compared to what I was just looking at in terms of the coming weekend. This one shows, again, quite warm upper air temperatures beginning to infiltrate that area of high pressure, so it is starting to warm up, but it's mainly dry as well, and it's pretty warm down in the southeast. It's going for 22. You probably lift that to around 24 or 25, mid-70s Fahrenheit, so it looks a little bit better for RiZe, but for the coming weekend's events, it does look a little bit concerning, especially, of course, the Bristol Balloon Festival, because you need it nice and still to get those balloons up, and it does look a little bit damp, especially on Saturday. The model might be going a bit over the top with that rainfall for Saturday. We'll just have to wait and see on that, but overall it does look rather changeable for the end of the week and the weekend, particularly in comparison to most of this summer. Right, might do another update for you around Thursday, somewhere around there. And of course, as I say, this coming weekend, we will find the GFS starts getting the bank holiday weekend into its extended time frame. So from around Saturday or Sunday, this coming Saturday or Sunday, will probably begin the late summer, late August bank holiday weekend countdown. And that, of course, will mark the end to the summer event season at Gauss Events. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.